Here, on a railway line north of Paris, the French National Railway Company, SNCF, is evaluating a measurement system supplied by AMTAB. If the system meets their requirements, SNCF are planning to install it in its railway network. AMTAB installed the system over the course of 4 nights, in 3-hour sessions. Typically, it takes a certified team of 2 people between 8 and 10 hours to install the system. Before and after photos show how small the footprint of the system is. Only the system housing and the sensors are visible. No infrastructure changes are needed to install the AMTAB system. The installation is done in 7 steps. 1. Site assessment. 2. Grinding and smoothing the rail web when needed. 3. Drilling holes for the sensors. 4. Installing the sensors. 5. Burying the sensor cables. 6. Connecting the sensor cables to the system cabinet. 7. Connecting the system to the electrical grid. Next, a quick systems check. Then calibration with locomotives and cars whose weight is known. And the system is ready for operation. The system is preset to capture data on weighing sites ID, date and time, direction, speed, number of axles, weight of single wheel, single axle, single car and complete train set, uneven and overload, broken bogie suspension, type of locomotive and car, wheel defects. The system can be set to capture additional data.